Sophia, come and find me. Uh-oh, it's not there. You got me! So comfortable bed. She clapped her hands. It means she likes the room. Smells like... Wait! I got these earrings from yesterday. No. We are waiting. So guys, I am gonna film because this is like almost the first time that she flew with plane with dad, and I couldn't take a video, but I think this is just the same experience for her. It's like first time, so let's see. La la la, Sophia. It's moving. She was crying earlier. Now that the plane is moving, she stops. So we're moving, Sophia. Sophia sleeping.
A few moments later.
Hi, Sophia! So guys, we are here in the hotel. Anyway, wow, you're exploring, Sophia. This is how you do it. Oh, push. Okay, push. Push. Go push. That's how you open. Push. 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 Very good, my love. And they have bathtub. Nice. This is their bathroom. Wow. A lot of selfie to take in here. Just kidding. Hi, Sophia. That's a big spot for you, Sophia. And then you can go swimming in that, Sophia. Anyways, this is our room. It's a king size bed. Like super king. We have some TV, we have some table, chair, drawers. And this is my first time here, guys. And this is Shangri-La. Hi! And this is our... How to open this? It's so... Oh my gosh, it's huge. It's open. Wow. This is the view. There's a flag. It's so nice. Garden. This is our balcony. It is safe for Sophia, but it's so hot. Hi, Sophia. Hi. It's so nice, Sophia. And here, cabinet. Oh, cabinet. There's iron pad or something. I don't know what you call this. Oh, there's iron or plancha. Next, cabinet. Come here. Come here. Open. Oh, there's our sleeper. And this is our bathroom. And this is laundry basket. And this is the safe. And we have some drawers. Yes. Nice. Oh, close. This is where you put your shoes. Get some sleeper. Close. Close the door. Kabulak-bulak man ka, oy. Very good.
Wow.
Wow. This is the aircon. I just can't stop looking at this bathroom. It's so nice. They have some tissue, shampoo, toothpaste, soap, towel. Sophia would love this. At least in half. Then we can put Sophia in there for shower. Sophia, do you like the drawers here? It's a lot. Drawers, right? So many drawers. They have this one, hair dryer. Close. No, close. Oh, come here, come here. Come. Come. Ta. Do you like the room? Wow. Oh, she clapped her hands. It means she likes the room. Do you like the room, Mama?
Yes.
Yes. So how's the plane?
Nahadlok ko. Ay, hadlok.
She's scared. This would be my place, my area. So guys, maybe you guys wonder why I'm here in Shangri-La. This is sponsored because the person that sponsored this trip is for reviews of Shangri-La. If this resort is child friendly or you can bring your child in here, and yes, it is, you can. It's a big space. If you have child, you probably need a big bed like this. What is that? Where did you get that? Oh, you're fun yourself? Hi, I'm so excited to be back here in Cebu. Yay! So this is the hotel card, and then you can click if you don't want to get disturbed. And this is vanity room. Let's try. And this is a bathroom light. Where's the other lights? Oh, you like it? You like it, Sophia? Come here, Sophia. They have so comfortable bed. Sophia, come here. Anyway, let's have some pictures. So they have kettle. It's for Sophia's milk. Let's open this one. They have this coffee creamer, tea, glass coffee cup, spoon and chopsticks, coffee, and 2 bottled waters. And of course, they have here some mini refrigerator with some beers and juice and cokes. This is for ice. Ta-da! Strictly no smoking. And then we are going to heat some water right now. Oh my gosh, what is it? It's glass. It's pure sparkling water. Yes, mother. It is water. How to open this one?
No.
This is how it is, guys. Province girl went to city and went to a beautiful resort. Act like this. Sorry. I don't see Caesar. And then... Oh. And then... Oh. Wow, social. Social. Let's wash. Water lagi ma, pure sparkling water. Mom doesn't believe the pure sparkling water because it looks like a wine, white wine. It's not a white wine, it's a pure sparkling water. Ta-da. Okay, let's wait until it's boiled. Let's drink some wine to celebrate. Just kidding. Oh, yeah, it says like I don't like the taste. For this, if you have a little baby and then you are making some milk, this hotel or resort is good for babies like this, right? And I think this room is soundproof. If she cries a lot, and then people can't hear from the outside, so I think it's okay. Oh, Sophia, oh, milk is here. Coming, my love.
Oo nga ba? Oh.
It's super hot. Water. Oh yes, my love, wait. It's ready. So these are the conditioners and shampoo, bath gel lotion. This is laundry powder, cotton buds, shower cup, hair tie, facial cotton, toothpaste, and toothbrush. Ta-da! I look so hard. So let's try to open the toothbrush. About the same with the one you can buy at the store, supermarket, right? I bought mom a toothbrush yesterday because she didn't bring toothbrush. If I knew they have one here, then we can use it. And then this is the toothpaste. Oh, Colgate, which is good. I like Colgate, you know. This is the laundry soap. Why is it there is laundry soap? We don't have washing machine here. I wonder why there is laundry soap. And next, let's open a shower cup. They only have one shower cup though. It's not for two person. It's looking good on me. Cotton buds, 4 pieces. I think this is only for one day. Yeah, but I still wonder why there is laundry soap. The shampoo smells organic, like greenish green. This is conditioner. Smells organic, like green. Something like if you're going to smash a green leaves, it smells like this. This is bath gel. This is less in greenish smell. And this is the body lotion. Smells like greenish. And they have tissue, facial tissue. I use facial tissue because I don't use towel bath for my face. I use tissue. So that's it. I hope. Oh, shower cup. Let's open the soap. Smells organic. And it's cute. Right? So, you know right now there is COVID. COVID there. We are going to wash our hands after being outside. At being outside also, we use alcohol. Smells good. Anyway, I'm going to rest and Sophia needs to rest as well. So this is the toilet. Muna ilo ni Mama. Kana yung ilo. You want to try? I showed Mom how to do it. Like you sit and then you do like this. Toyo ko na nimo. Balik ko siya sa agi. Sophia, Come and find me. Let's see if she saw me. Uh-oh, it's not there. You got me! Sweet. So this is where I hid. Sophia, come and find me.
Wait, no. Wait, go back. Go back.
She ran away with mouse. Why? No, give to mom. Give to nanay.
Get me.
Go, give to nanay. Give to nanay, give to nanay.
Give me. Thank you.
Very
Yeah,
good.
very good.
When she feels like she's very good, she clap her hands.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.